A very warm welcome to a new episode of Melt. I'm Ritvika Gupta shooting from home. The World Senior Citizens Day is observed on 21st August every year across the globe. It is a day to recognize and acknowledge the contributions of senior citizens to society. On Melt this week, we are celebrating it with a deep dive into the role senior citizens have played in Indian advertising by curating and presenting a list of ads featuring them. With that in mind, Anant Rangaswamy, editor of Melt, will be in conversation today with Piyush Pandey, chairman of Global Creative at Ogilvy and chairman of Ogilvy India. Let's get ready to melt with Piyush Pandey.
Morning, Piyush.
Morning, Anant.
So, Piyush, Ogilvy has used senior citizens extensively in your commercials, and I can go back 30 years. What is it about senior citizens that you think makes them good characters in storytelling?
First of all, I want to thank all the senior citizens who have made our communication so much more beautiful, powerful. And what I find wonderful about them is that they have honesty, they have wisdom, they have life experiences where the stories become more honest and more surprising, because youngsters don't expect senior citizens to have a fantastic sense of humor, which is a myth, because they've also been young in their old days. And therefore, they bring charm, honesty, humor, believability, and a cut-through property that I've always found.
Piyush, you have used senior citizens in all kinds of categories, whether it is banking, newspaper, mobile telephony, cooking oil, So what is it about them that allows them, for example, in the Vodafone commercial with Asha Bala, why was senior citizens cast and not much younger people for showing the use of data, for showing the magic of mobile telephony?
Number of reasons, Anant. One is that the kind of love that both have within them, that gives you a beautiful setting. Two is it makes ease of usage, that if people this old can use it easily, all the mobile data, then it's easy for me. And to add on everything is their fantastic sense of humor and their ability to connect to the youth. I find that they connect with the youth a lot more than when we try and show the target audience in our communication. So that's why Asha Bala became a phenomenon. And everyone looked forward to what are they going to do next? What are the little things which they are not conscious about because they're natural.
So, and then in a cooking oil ad, and we have seen the category use very young urban housewives in the ads. And you used somebody who was obviously almost in her last years of life. Why did you choose that? Why not the conventional, 35-year-old woman with two young kids kind of thing?
You expect in every ad, you'll expect a 35-year-old couple and two children. Here it was just pure love of making food, pure love for the grandchild. And belief in our own dal in that fortune ad. And that's what makes it so wonderful, that she is so convinced that her dal will be far better than the hospital food. And therefore she's kind of adamant that one day she's going to get that little boy to eat the dal that he loves so much. So the older person and their credibility when it comes to making food is phenomenal. The rest of the things, Anant, about the things that the oil has to offer, there are many other ways of doing it. That this has got low cholesterol, it's got this, it's got that. But that's what I call salesmanship. But here, food is a lot about emotion. And that's where she fitted so wonderfully.
You've used senior citizens extensively in the BFSI category, in banking, extensively, for example. And tell me why that works in banking, because they are certainly not your TG. And why do you use that?
See, If you first go to SBI Life, it was about pension funds. And lots of people believed, and I had a lot of trouble trying to sell that campaign, that our buyers of pension funds are 34-year-old, 35-year-old. And I kept saying, so what is the 34, 35-year-old buying a pension fund for? They're buying the pension fund for a wonderful life when they are old. So if I show old people who are so lively, happy, then it makes sense to them because they're not buying it. They're not buying a pension fund for something to be bought day after tomorrow. They're buying for the future. I'm showing them a beautiful future. And that is where the entire SBI Life campaign worked for us, whether it was old people playing cricket or it was the husband and wife on Valentine's Day. And that itself is such a surprise that you don't expect 70-year-olds to talk about Valentine's Day. And that is so charming for the younger people that it's wonderful and a great surprise.
You look at a number of the commercials you've already mentioned, whether it's the Vodafone ad or whether it is SBI Life ad, you make the senior citizens laugh at themselves. Why is that so important that they laugh? Or why does that work?
It works beautifully, Anand, because in SBI Life, we are selling pension funds. Pension funds are bought by 34, 35-year-old people. And that's what some people at the client's table said to me, but why are you showing old people? I said they're buying for old age. They're not buying pension funds to buy a car day after tomorrow. So if they want a happier, older age, I will show them happier, older people who enjoy life, who are still loving to each other, still want to do things for each other, still want to live life. So whether it was the couple, where the husband gives her a diamond ring because it's around Valentine's Day, he's found an excuse. So that charm of old age. And if you remember, the line was, ताकि बुढ़ापे में पैसे की कमी ना हो, which was pension funds. And the other one in SBI Life is old people are playing cricket because they've done enough hard work in their lives. Or you go to Federal Bank for that matter. Federal Bank is about lasting partnerships. And we took a lasting partnership, a beautiful relationship between a couple where they're trying to be nice to each other by cheating a little bit to be nice, and phenomenal sense of humor. So it's a partnership. What better partnership than people who have been married for over 50 years and still have a fantastic relationship. In the case of Federal Bank, it fitted what they wanted. They were about partnerships. They were not going around selling propositions. They are a solid bank, huge in the South, as you know. And therefore, we chose this couple and they were magic.
We'll stay in the South. Ogilvy created a lovely campaign for Sakshi, a newspaper. And again, it was a beautiful use of senior citizens. So tell me about that campaign.
Anand, that actually is a learning from a senior citizen to use a senior citizen. That's the roots of the story are a story between me and my father. And what we want to say was that Sakshi understands life. Sakshi stands for things beyond the regular news coverage. And therefore, that story was written from that conversation between my father and me about, it's all understandable in the story. It's about us not believing that our father and our parents had a lot of hardship while getting schooled, and made into a fantastic relationship between a father and son who wants to do good things. And therefore, I use that for Sakshi because, again, there is a different aspect of the newspaper that I was trying to cover, which the client wanted. That we are not just about news giving, that everyone does. We have depth of understanding human beings. And that's why we use the relationship between the young son and the aging father.
For me, why I keep saying Ogilvy, because it's in the DNA of the agency, obviously, because you've used senior citizens even in categories for the very, very young. For example, digital media and social media. And you tell me about the use of senior citizens in this category.
Obviously, you're talking about the Google reunion. That was all about connectivity. That was all about reaching out and doing things that you couldn't do for a long time and doing them easily. Yes, the usage is done by younger people a lot, but the kind of relationship we use of two people living with the partition trauma and wanting to meet each other, two childhood friends, and how the youngsters help them. So there was a fantastic usage by the team of youngsters using the technology to make life beautiful for their grandfathers. See, I always believe that technology, when given humanity, works much better. And this was a great example in Google to take technology, which was new at that point of time, and make a human benefit out of it, which is so touching that you get involved with the technology.
What about the Yahoo campaign?
Yahoo was much older in the days of email. When we were trying to promote email, then you can connect with each other on emails. And we said, okay. So the proposition is very simple, that instead of postal usage, you can do email usage. It's faster and better. We took a fun story of how the post can be delayed. Email is immediate, and sometimes email helps you to do or prevent things that you didn't want to do. So it's a story of two brothers. This guy is not concerned about going to his brother's house with whole entourage of people, and the brother's wife doesn't want these people to just overload their house. So it's again using humor to communicate technology. Right. So I think the parallels are fairly similar, Anand.
And visually striking, not so much the senior citizen as the body of the senior citizen, the Kelvinator ad. So tell me about that ad.
Kelvinator ad, the role of a senior citizen was written in the script. If you're dealing with dentures, then you need a senior citizen. Now, we were very lucky to find a senior citizen that did such a fantastic performance. Now, you could have used anyone. Lots of people use youngsters and do a makeup that they look like much older people. We have seen it in movies. We have seen it in ads also. But the authenticity of a senior person just makes that ad so much more charming. The ad was about cooling, but the senior citizen made it cool to watch it. that was the beauty of that ad.
You know, your own personal favorite client is Pidilite and all their sub-brands, all their brands rather. And of late, we've seen you introduced a very cool senior citizen in a Fevikwik commercial. So what would have happened if you had used a younger person in that?
Yeah, I want the audience of this program to imagine if a younger kabadiwali was acting in a fancy way, repairing things and looking cool. It would have been a usual commercial. And here was a senior citizen who just added magic because she comes unexpected. A lot of things that we have talked about is the sense of surprise that a senior citizen brings. And that brings me to another one, Anand, which is when we did the campaign for Pfizer. Now, Pfizer came from that sense of surprise. It was about medicines for the management of heart. And that again came from a story between my father and his friend. The friend was a heavyweight, rather heavy. My father was stick thin. And one day my brother and I were standing on the terrace and they didn't know that we could hear them. So my father was calling him obese. And he was calling my father a tidda, which is a locust. These guys were friends from school. So the language between them doesn't change. And when we start writing scripts for senior citizens, we start writing with respect. We forget that these are childhood friends. Their language at times when they didn't know that you were hearing could be as colorful as ours when we talk to our friends inside the house. And that gave us the idea of how three old friends would talk about their health issues as if they were the same age, because between them the relationship has not changed.
Right.
And that brings surprise, Anant. And their performance adds to the magic.
So I want to talk to you about, you said about makeup and so on and so forth. One of the biggest challenges in all these films is the casting. The casting has to be almost perfect for it to be carried off. Whether it's Asha Bala, whether it's the grandmother in the Fortune cooking oil ad, the casting has to be perfect. So how do you sort out the casting issue with either internally or with your production house? How do you sort out the casting issue? How painful is it?
Nowadays, it's much better, Anant. Now, clients have become savvy about casting over the years. And when you're casting older people, there's nobody sitting there and saying, is he good looking or not that good looking or this and that. An older person does not have those boxes to tick. So we can actually focus on performances, and those performances make the ads. I mean, if you look at them, the scripts that some of my people wrote, and I'll come to the Rocky script that Azaz wrote for Amazon for our Bangalore office, my favorite stuff. But then you have the freedom of adding magic. If you said, no, it should look like this, and she look like a South Indian or a North Indian or this or that, I think that's humbug. Because a grandfather is a grandfather is a grandfather, and a grandmother is a grandmother. When you're not going out of your way to say it's North Indian or South Indian, the age of the person, the charm of the person goes beyond these definitions.
Yeah.
And therefore, it makes it easier. And for good filmmakers and their agency partners, it is actually a great opportunity which needs a lot of hard work to get it right. Because nobody is stopping you. Only one who's stopping is yourself.
So get to the Amazon commercial that Ajaz did and tell me about that before we come to a question for marketers.
I think Rakhi is so magical. I mean, from time to time, I keep seeing it. See, technology in Amazon can help you send anything to your sister or to your brother. Can easily. You don't even have to look at the thing. You can look at the catalog and say, I order this Rakhi and order this shirt, order this sari. Very easy. And what the senior citizens do is to say, it's not good enough to send something. The joy of seeing something in the relationship that you've grown up with, and that magic. And Amazon was brave enough to say that we can send anything you want, but we can't earn you that smile that you get on meeting her. So I think, again, when you see that both the characters, the brother and the sister, are with their respective grandchild. So grandchild knows technology. The senior citizen is adding humanity to it. And suddenly Rakhi becomes that much more powerful that even younger people feel a little compelled. It's not good enough to send an email, happy Rakhi sister. Maybe I can go and have my tika put, my Rakhi tied. So again, technology alone cannot be a product differentiator for more than 10 days, 15 days, 1 month. Somebody else will catch up. But if you build a brand with a soul and keep working on the technology to improve it, then you're a brand. Otherwise, you're another feature delivered by somebody else who will be caught up by somebody else.
When you present these scripts, when I say you, I mean Ogilvy, your colleagues,
My
all of
team,
you.
a lot of work that we talked about today,
Of course.
little bit is by me, little bit, and a lot of it is by different members of my team that add magic to it.
When you present scripts with old people in them to your clients, is there a pushback? Because by and large, you say, okay, this is not my TG.
It depends from client to client. So I won't generalize. Yes, it was difficult for me in the beginning to try and get the approval for the old couple in SBI Life because number of people and that happens because of a lot of this bookish education. And the book says your target audience is 35-year-old. There were 6, 7 people who argued and argued and argued. And fortunately, somebody saw sense. And then it was a win-win for everybody. So yes, you'll feel some resistance. But there are some clients who are very smart to understand what you're saying. But times have changed, Anant. If it was mid-90s, probably the degree of difficulty that agencies and creative people in particular would face would be much more. Today, I think people have seen a lot of stuff succeed. So there are reference points to say, look how X did it, look how Y did it, look how we ourselves did it earlier. It becomes easier.
So, on this note, and I hope all our viewers have had a fantastic treat watching all these commercials. Thank you so much, Piyush. And from one senior citizen to another, have a fantastic day.
So on this note, Anant, I would yet again say a big thank you to senior citizens who made us look younger, helped us succeed in our jobs, and helps our clients succeed in their businesses. So thank you, Pranam, Charan Sparsh.
And that was Piyush Pandey sharing the charm of senior citizens in advertising across different categories. All the ads showcased today can be viewed at readytomelt.com. He is now presenting the Mel cheat sheet. Senior citizens bring in honesty and an element of surprise in advertising. Senior actors cannot be put in a box, it's easier to focus on their performance. Compared to the mid-90s, brands today are more open to scripts featuring senior citizens. And that's a wrap on this episode of Melt. You can follow us on social media. Our handle is Ready to Melt, and stay updated with all that's happening in the world of advertising and marketing with our daily Melt update on our website, readytomelt.com. I shall see you next week, same time, same place. Goodbye.